When a request has been added, it will need to be approved. You can do this on the map screen or the requests screen. In this example, we will approve the request on the map screen. Locate and tap on the request to approve. You can see the details appear for the selected request at the bottom. You can either go to the request's details screen and approve the request there, or approve it directly from the map screen by selecting the status and then selecting approve. By using this method, we can do everything from the map screen. This will take the request to the next stage, and this depends on what has been set up for the workflow in the global settings area. In this example, the next stage is the final approval stage. We can also approve the request from the request details page. So, tap on the request's details. And when the request screen loads, tap on the status and select approve. When the request has been approved, you will notice that a scaffold and activity has been created and are linked to the request. You can select the scaffold number to access the scaffold details screen and build the scaffold from there. Or you can build a scaffold on the map screen. We are going to tap the scaffold number and then tap the status. It should say awaiting build, and then select begin build. This will launch the activity screen where we can make any changes to the activity. For example, we can change the need date. When done, tap the tick icon and the status of the scaffold will change to build in progress. Tap build in progress and then select complete build. Make any changes in the activity and tap the tick icon. The scaffold will now be in the standing status. We can see that the request has vanished from the map screen. And going to the scaffolds view, we can see a scaffold has now been erected.